Hi friends, I'm Sapna Aggarwal, Creative Director at Ansa Architecture and Interior Design Consultancy. Today we are going to discuss 7 top interior design trends that you should think about for your homes and offices. Nowadays, interior design has become quite innovative and exciting, and I'm here to share these trends that will inspire you to give your space a fresh new look. First, blend the tradition and modern. The first trend is about combining the tradition and modern design. That is a fantastic way to make your interiors unique and interesting. You can mix traditional Indian art and handicraft with modern furnishings to create a new and a very fresh look. Second, nature and earthy colors. Moving on to the second trend, it is about natural and earthy colors. आजकल लोग जितने भी हैं वो कलर्स ऐसे यूज़ कर रहे हैं जैसे बेज, ऑलिव ग्रीन, टेरेकोटा और ये बहुत ट्रेंड में है. ये जितने कलर्स हैं आपके घर को एक काम और एक नेचुरल वाइब देते हैं. थर्ड, सस्टेनेबिलिटी एंड इको फ्रेंडली. आई थिंक ये तो आज की आवाज़ है. Along with the natural beauty, आजकल हर बंदा is leaning towards sustainability and eco-friendly designs. Yes, this is not just a trend, but also very important to protect our nature. But it also makes our homes modern and stylish. By using materials like jute and recycled items, you can give your home a very, very nice makeover and also a green makeover. Fourth, intelligent and practical spaces. In today's era, the concept of smart and functional spaces has also become quite popular. You can use smart appliances and storage solutions to make your spaces organized and efficient. Fifth, minimalistic decor. For some people, less is more. और मैं हमेशा ये कहती हूँ कि जितना डिज़ाइन कम होता है उतना सुंदर आता है. Minimalistic decor trend is also gaining popularity nowadays. It involves clutter-free spaces, simple designs that bring calmness and clarity to your homes. And especially घर में ये बहुत important होता है. Sixth, eye-catching places. If you want to add a unique touch to your interiors, then use eye-catching statement pieces. These pieces can become focal point in your home, like a vibrant painting or even a unique furniture, something that is of interest to you. Sixth, biophilic design. Lastly, let's talk about biophilic design. This means nature-inspired design. In this trend, natural elements like plants, natural lights, organic materials are used, creating a perfect and refreshing environment in your home. These are the 7 interior design trends that you should consider for your spaces, be it your homes or even your offices. I hope these tips will have been very helpful for you. And if you succeed in making your home a new and stylish makeover, please share the pictures with us. Also, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell to stay updated about our future videos. I'm Sapna Aggarwal, Creative Director of Ansa Architecture and Interior, saying goodbye. See you next time, next Wednesday. And for all the design trends, stay tuned. Bye. Thank you.